In this video, we're going to talk about one of my favorite topics as it relates to YMCA association marketing, and that is the topic of branded search in Google Ads. If you've been marketing for an association for a while, I'm sure you've encountered this. It's one of the most hotly debated topics in Google Ads overall, but it especially relates when you're working for an association with such a recognizable brand name as the YMCA. Obviously, everyone knows the YMCA. It can be harnessed properly to drive attention to your association and to your branches, but it can certainly come at a cost if you're overweighting your advertising towards the branded term. I put just first here as kind of our general rule for YMCA associations. We recommend about 10 to 20% of your Google ad spend should be focused around some type of branded search, some type of search with the acronym YMCA in it. I just wanted to add a quick note here that we have taken over accounts at very high spend levels that have had upwards of 80% of their paid search have the YMCA brand name in it. This is certainly an overspend. It's not the primary cornerstone of what you want to be paying to advertise for, but there is a component in this 10 or 20% that it can bring a lot of value. Another quick note that I wanted to add, we also have a video on Google Grant account specifically, but feel free to utilize your Google Grant account for free branded search. So obviously you don't actually pay for the dollars in your Google Grant account. They're sponsored by Google. So if you want to layer in branded search that you don't have to pay for, feel free to look at the Google Grant account as an example of that. This is something we typically do that I can certainly help with as well. The last piece that I want to include with this, and this is why a lot of times we see accounts get up to this 80% spend level, is I would encourage you to not bid on what we call the broad match term of just YMCA. That is going to have you show up and pay for clicks for any phrase under the sun that has YMCA in it. What I would encourage you to do if you're doing this now is to focus in on some qualifying language around YMCA and weight your branded search towards things like YMCA membership, YMCA pricing. Make sure when you're paying to show up for someone searching for the YMCA, you're paying to show up for people who are interested in membership or interested in pricing. So this is probably one of the biggest tricks that we see works is let's harness that brand value with YMCA, but let's focus the paid dollars that we're putting towards it towards those users who are interested in joining first. If you have any questions about this, I would love to help you strategize and help make better use of your marketing dollars. Feel free to go to northwingdigital.com and reach out. We'd love to help. Thank you.